Hello boys and girls, Ms. Holloway here. You should be on Reteaching 16-5, Making Bar Graphs, our last lesson in math this year. Congratulations, you made it all the way. I love making bar graphs. They're so much fun, just like pictographs. Some of my favorite lessons in math. Let's look at this table. It's going to show the number of birds that visited a bird feeder. So we have Monday, there were 6, Tuesday, 4, Wednesday, 7, Thursday, 5, and Friday, 3. This is similar to the tally chart that you make before you make a pictograph. And you could do a tally chart for this as well. So the first step is going to be to write each of the days and label the bottom of the graph day, just like over here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they labeled it day. Step 2, number the scale. Label the scale number of birds. So they numbered the scale. And since the highest number was 7, they only went up to about 8. You don't really need to go up any farther. And then they wrote number of birds. Make the bars for each day. So on Monday there were 6, so they drew a bar up to 6. Tuesday was 4. Wednesday 7, and so on. And then give the graph a title, which would be bird feeder visits. So let's go make one ourselves down here at the bottom. Field day results. Okay. Make a bar graph. Remember to label your graph and add a title. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a very large letter L, or a right angle. And we don't have to do all the lines right here. We're just going to worry about the bars. Okay, so we need to label the bottom of the graph. So the bottom of the graph is going to be the teams. And the side of the graph is going to be points. All right, now we need to write down our team. So we have the bulls, colts, pigs, and rams. So I might do it kind of like they did up here and do it a little diagonal. Bulls, colts, pigs, and rams. All right, so now let's look at our points. We need to label the scale next. So our lowest number is a 25 and our highest number is a 45. So we really don't need to start with 0 like the graph above. We could start with 20 and then count by 5s because these numbers are counting by 5s. So we'll start the very bottom right here. This is the very bottom. That's going to be 20. And then we'll go up 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now we can go back and label 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, so now we can draw the bars. The bulls had 45, so I'm going to draw my bar all the way up to 45. Colts, 30. Pigs, 25. And the rams, 40. And then you can shade them in if you want. You don't have to. They could be different colors. All right, there's your bar graph for the field day results. Now let's look at number 2. Why did you choose the scale you did? Well, we chose the scale we did because the points counted by 5s. I chose the scale because the points counted by 5s. and because the lowest number was 25. We won't write that down, but just so you know, if the lowest number is a high number, you don't really have to start your bar graph at 0. You can start it with a number before that lower number. Okay, now turn the page and do the practice side on your own. Good luck and congratulations, you finished your math workbook.